So you're thinking about selling your house, huh? Congratulations. It's a big decision and I'm sure you're excited about the next chapter in your life. But let's be honest, it can also be a bit overwhelming. I know you're smart, you can probably change a tire and cook a decent meal. But selling a house? That's a whole different ballgame. It's like trying to win the lottery without buying a ticket or trying to teach a dog to speak human. It's just not going to happen. Unless you're a wizard, of course. An agent isn't just a person who shows houses. They're your personal negotiator, marketer, and therapist. Trust me, you'll want one, especially when you realize how much work goes into selling a home. It's like trying to run a marathon while juggling chainsaws and also trying to hold a conversation with a 3-year-old on a sugar high. And let's face it, who has time for that? Sure, you can sell your house yourself. But remember, only 7% of people do it. And those 7% are probably regretting their life choices. It's like trying to build a rocket ship without a degree in engineering, or trying to learn a new language in a week. It's like navigating a bumpy road with potholes and a steep hill in the middle of a maze. Unless you have a professional to take you by the hand to help you. The market's cooled down, no more bidding wars or crazy offers. It's like everyone realized they couldn't afford a mansion on a teacher's salary. So, get ready to negotiate like your life depends on it. And trust me, it might. Or at least your sanity. With the increased competition of available homes, you'll have to get creative. Consider offering a home warranty, a free puppy, or even a portion of the buyer's home insurance premium. Whatever it takes to get that offer. Just don't offer a haunted doll. That's a bad move. Trust me, I've seen the movies, and by movies I mean real estate horror stories. But hey, at least it's a good conversation starter. Declutter, paint, and maybe even stage your home. Just don't overdo it. You don't want buyers thinking you're a hoarder who's trying to hide something. And remember, a little goes a long way. You don't need to spend a fortune to make your home look its best. Just think of it as a makeover for your house. And who doesn't love a makeover? First impressions matter, so mow your lawn, trim your bushes, and maybe even paint your front door a nice color. Provided the HOA allows it. You don't want the HOA messing up your closing, or attract unwanted attention from your neighbors. Remember, a well-maintained exterior can make a big difference. It's like putting on a good outfit. You feel more confident and it makes a great first impression. Pricing your home is like walking a tightrope. You want to strike the perfect balance between getting a great price and attracting buyers. It's like trying to guess the winning lottery numbers. Good luck with that. And remember, a good agent can help you with this. They're like your personal fortune teller, but instead of guessing the future, they're using the latest technology to assist you in coming up with the perfect selling price. Great photos, virtual tours, and a killer listing description. It's like creating a dating profile for your house, but without the embarrassing selfies. And let's be honest, who's good at that? But don't worry, your agent can help you with that. Think of them as your personal marketing guru. They'll make your house look like the hottest property on the market. A good listing can make or break a sale. Highlight the best features, but don't exaggerate. You don't want buyers showing up expecting a unicorn to live in the backyard. That would be a major disappointment. And remember, a good listing is like a hook. It needs to grab the attention of potential buyers and make them want to know more. So make it catchy, make it interesting, and make it memorable.
Deductible selling expenses. Selling costs include attorney fees, real estate agent commissions, advertising costs, and escrow fees. Deductible improvements. These are expenses incurred to improve your home's value, such as renovations, repairs, or additions. The improvements must have been made while you owned the home and before you sold it. Capital gains exclusion. This exclusion allows you to exclude a portion of your capital gains from taxation. For single filers, the exclusion is $250,000. For joint filers, it's $500,000. The home must have been your primary residence for at least 2 of the 5 years preceding the sale. For more information on tax deductions related to selling your home, consult with a tax professional or visit the IRS website at www.irs.gov. Selling your home can also have financial benefits. You may be eligible for tax deductions related to selling expenses, improvements, and capital gains.
Selling a house can be stressful, but remember, you're not alone. You've got an agent, a plan, and hopefully a sense of humor, or at least a good therapist. And remember, confidence is key. Believe in your home and its value. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, just take a deep breath and remember that you're not alone in this. Everyone goes through it, even the experts. Ready to sell? Let's do this. Or you could just keep living in your house forever. There is no wrong answers here. We will be here when you get ready. And remember, selling your house is like a roller coaster ride. It's scary, it's exciting, and it's definitely an adventure. To get started on your home selling journey, contact American Paradise Properties Associate Broker, Carl Bostic, at 800-418-0007. That's 800-418-0007. He'll guide you through the process and help you maximize your profits.